So hello guys, how are you? Today I want to share you one of the most important part in geo agent industry, that is a you use a LLM on your own project or own software. This is also very important for your any software development project, because LLM is very common nowadays, working like a agent. So in here I used multi-agent in my project. I scattered this project in two parts, like front end and back end. Front end is used Angular framework, and back end I used Fast API, where I integrate with Gemma 4 12 billion parameter uh, model, which is very powerful. And I connect with this model with LangGraph, which is a framework of LangChain, which is communicate with LLM model. And it's very useful for my project. Actually my project is define the flood risk in Sylhet area. The modern era of AI agent is implemented here in this project. So I go to the browser. There I just run my project. Already it's running in my project. Like I go to VS Code. There is this is front end uh, link, which is run by using Angular framework, and another this is a backend, which is a Fast API. Here is this local link. So I run this project in my locally, and this is LM Studio, where I used my Gemma for 12 billion parameter model. So now I uh, run my project. Actually I just give you a overview of this project. This is the map of Sylhet district, where there are many different types of upajelas. So my project is identify which upajelas are more or susceptible, more risk flood risk affected area in this study area. So in here this line is showing the stream or stream network of this area, and this is administrative boundary, where you can show the block of this area or this area. And this is the agent pipeline, where uh, there are 5 step of agent pipeline. So the agent pipeline is working when I click this run analysis. So I already clicked this analysis. So my model is working very fast, and I just install my model again, and then I see the result of my model. So my model is now activate within a few seconds, around now my model is ready. So I click it again, and my model is communicating with my software project. So just keep waiting for the final result. It takes little bit time because there are many different types of file are engaging in this project, like one is DM, another is stream channel, land use, land cover. So it takes some times for finding the final output. So I just show you the project structure of this analysis. So in here this geo reasoner is a fast API framework used there, and this is the folder structure, and this is the front end part. In here used the Angular framework, which is very common in this industry. So this is requirements file. When you install a environment, so you need to maintain this requirements txt, then you install this library on your local environment, and then you can run this project very effectively. Actually this is a very dummy project at this moment. We have to work on it more precise way. So I just share you the actual concept, or actual how the LLM work with communicating with the local software or any software. I just share you the gist of this knowledge. So already it's finding the result of my analysis. So it is a developer log. When it's ask anything, you can find the result of these questions. Here is calculating the flood susceptibility index using hydrological parameter rank by Upajilas. You can also the API documentation in fast API. This is the geo reasoner, which is the LLM orchestration multi-agent geospatial reasoning system. There is the API, like you can check the health, actually how the application is running or not. So its status is okay. So my model is working perfectly, and the model name is Gemma 12 billion parameter, and it's running in LM Studio, and this is the endpoint of LM Studio for this model. So this is the different types of APIs which I use in my front end interaction. So this is pretty good, I think. So I go to there, and my analysis is done, and you see this is the company conch, which is the most high value of this area, and the second position is Goinghat, and they are the pipeline of this analysis, like a planner, uh, GIS analyst, remote sensing, hydrology, and resonar. So in here I also prepare the report, export this as a report. The two option, like PDF or HTML, I go for PDF. So this file is exported by a PDF format. So we're just waiting some time, and it's automatically download in my folder. And this is not a final output. No, actually this is a final output, but I mean that this is not the most accurate way of this analysis, because there are lots of things to work to do in this uh, project for perfection. So I just give you a brief or gist summary of how LLM works with modern software industry. So uh, that's my actual intention for this project. So I just share you last thing is my reporting PDF. It's little takes little time because it's export the maps in this PDF. So my PDF is generated, and I opened it. So here is the status when created this. This file is also written there, and you can show the give just summary of this analysis, and here is the map with the value, flood susceptibility index map, and here is the ranking, and the dashboard. There is the parameter like elevation, trend slope, river proximity, land cover. So there's the parameter actually. So that's it. Thank you for today to watch this interaction.